So this is Coal City Eastern Alliance. This is where we call the new Enugu. Over there, this place you see all these houses. This is Premier Layout. There's a seasonal river before you come to the new Enugu. So this location is one of the best locations. Governor Peter Mba, His Excellency, have good plans for this location, and anyone who buys now is going to buy a property that's going to change their life forever. Many missed out on other estates like Diamond Estate, WTC, even Centenary. When Centenary was selling for 5 million, so many people missed out. You can see work is going on. Over there is a concrete mixer truck that is mixing concrete. They are doing the drainage. Work is going on every time. Plots of lands is selling for 500 square meters, 320 square meters, 800 square meters, and 1000 square meters. So depending on the size of land you need, you can contact us to help you secure a very good property that is going to change your life. Just across the river is selling for 50 million naira minimum. Then here we are selling for just 40 million naira. 40 million naira for 500 square meters, and for 1000 square meters we are selling for 80 million naira. You can see the quality of the drainage we are doing here. Very solid, very solid, very solid. Just like I told you, I've been changing people's life, and you can be my next investor right here in Enugu. You all know that for the past 3 years, I've been preaching. For the past 3 years now, I've been telling my Igbo investors why they need to invest in Igbo land. You know, I know the return of investment is not that much to compare with Abuja and Lagos. But one thing my grandfather always told me is that if you don't invest in your hometown, you will leave your hometown and go to another person's hometown and live. So if you want to help grow this 3 billion GDP of Enugu to 30 billion, just like the governor has said, you know, the governor cannot do it alone. We as individuals have to come in. Just like the international spare parts market that is coming up, that the shops is selling for 6 million naira, you should buy it. You buying it is also helping the government, you know, to achieve the goals, because there's a lot of, from now to the next 8 years, people who invest early is going to benefit. You know, your money is going to double. So if you're investing like 10 million to 100 million, I'm seeing your 10 million increase to 100 million, and your 100 million increase to 1 billion. So you can imagine when you are investing 1 billion, so you'll be checking around 10 billion, right? This is, I'm not saying this because I want you to buy. I'm saying this because I know what I'm doing, and in the next 7 to 8 years, if you come back to this video, you will actually know that I know what I'm doing. Well, that's just it. Okay, I'll see you on the other side. All right, have a lovely day. Bye bye.